Welcome back to this new video. Today we are at Aeon Mall, the largest shopping mall here in Phnom Penh, and with a total of 5 floors packed with stores. There's definitely a lot going on here at the mall. So the game plan today is really showcasing the mall itself, so for anyone who maybe wants to go for a shopping trip or just staying here long term, that you know what you can expect if you're visiting this mall. And of course we will be ending this video at the food court that's also located here on the ground floor, and also with some extra tips if you want to enhance your experience and your visit to the mall even more, with tips going for outside of this mall. So yeah, let's head further inside, check out all the stores. I will be stamping all the floors specifically so you know where you can find each store that we're going over today. And yeah, let's get started. So something that's really nice is that when filming this, it's almost Lunar New Year. So throughout the whole mall, you'll find decorations, and yeah, it's just a really nice touch for the celebration that's coming up. So as you could see from the 5 floors, there are 3 floors that are completely filled with stores and restaurants. So after we've seen the last floor with all the restaurants and delicious food, it's time to head downstairs to the food court. The food court itself is pretty big as well. It is a bit different if you compare it with other countries like Thailand. However, I think it's still very nice. We've already went there a few days ago and it was a very nice and good experience. So I'm excited to go back, check it out, and leave a thumbs up if you're liking this video so far. And yeah, let's get to the food. So the mall also has a big grocery store, which is super useful if you need to go in for a quick grocery run or just want to explore just like me. Although I also need to get some things, but I think it's always just a fun activity whenever you're in a different country. And this store specifically also has a lot of home stuff, so that's a nice extra. I found a quiet spot for the end of the video because I've already showed you all that Aeon Mall has to offer, and it's so much. You could easily walk a few hours here. Definitely if you also include the food court and the supermarket. Personally, I really like this mall. It's really big and spacious, and besides that, it's also not crowded at all. This is the third time here, and all the times it's been quite like this. I think today was the busiest day so far, and it's a Monday right now. So I think this mall is perfect for a large shopping session, for maybe if you're on vacation. And if you're staying here for long term in Phnom Penh or even living here, I think it's also a great place to get some essentials. So I think we're definitely going to visit it in the future again. And the first time, it's actually a bit funny, is when we visited the mall, right away reminded me of the TRX mall in Kuala Lumpur. That was a very nice mall as well, definitely the rooftop. I've actually created a video about that mall as well, so if you want to check it out, I will link the video in the description down below so you can see that as well. And then as said in the beginning of the video, I will also give you 2 tips for things to also visit while visiting Aeon Mall. The first one is the area Elysée, and this is completely French inspired, and literally walking there feels so strange because it actually feels like you're in Paris or French in general. It even has an Arc de Triomphe, and it is really based on the Arc de Triomphe that you will find in Paris. So it is also within walking distance of the mall, around 25 minutes, so that's perfect. And over there you can check it out, walk around. It's besides the river, so it's very nice if you go there with sunset. You will also find some restaurants, so you can easily add it up to make a fun day at the mall and in French. And then for the second tip, that's a park nearby the mall as well. And when walking through the park, I think it's also around 20 minutes, you will find lots of restaurants and a really lively neighborhood, so that's very nice to begin with. And then for the park itself, you will find beautiful statues, and it's very big as well. And also at the evening, when it's cooled down a bit, it's also very lively with lots of people working out or just having a nice evening walk. So yeah, that's very nice as well. So maybe you can even start your day at Elysée, go to the mall, and after that finish your evening in the park. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope it was useful for you to see Aeon Mall in this way and with some extra tips. Let me know if you have any further questions about the mall. I would be happy to help or show you something else. And there are a lot more videos here coming up in Cambodia and Phnom Penh in specific. So once again, thank you for watching, and then I hope to see you at the next one. Bye!